Okay, so the wires were shit basically. I couldn't get them because it was just too corroded. So I couldn't get solder onto them, and I needed solder on them obviously. So instead you can see what I've done. I've basically wired it directly to the, because you can obviously solder it. I mean, I can solder it directly onto the thing, and so I trace the wires back. Basically you can see this is a blue with a black, yeah, which goes to here, blue with the black. Yeah, let's put that on, make it easier. Oops, try not to get bloody WD on my phone. Yeah, see, blue with the black there is this one that I've already cut, blue with the black. Let's see it from the other side. Twist it a bit, then you can see blue. There you go, you got the black, yeah. Okay. And so we've got this one here, right? If I just wiggle it, there. Yeah, you can see which one's moving, which is connected to this, which is the first one, which is already cut. Yeah. Yeah. I probably didn't need. I don't know. It doesn't matter. Anyway, so this one's connected to there, right? And then the next one you can see is green with white and some silver stripes. Now it's a sequence thing, so you can see here, green with the white goes to there, and if I pull this one, you can see which where is it at? That one there. See the one that's wiggling, yeah, which is connected to here, which is the next in the sequence. Yeah, you can see how it's going in there. Yeah, I was very careful to make sure they lined up. Okay, and then so that's this one, and then this one, and so the next one's obviously going to be this one, but we can just really double check. So you can see how it's green. What's that got? Green with the red. I'm in trouble seeing through the phone. So green, that means it's shit, doesn't it? Green with the red, I'm sure it is. And so if you look, there's the one with the, oh crikey. Let's see if I can get this so that I can see the other side. Yeah, there you go. You can see the red stripe now, can't you? Yeah. Green with the red, the one that I've just manipulated. Yeah. That one is this one, yeah? Yeah, same colour. So it's that one, and then that one, and then that one, which is obviously making sense because they're just putting them in sequence. And I'm guessing the other ones are probably the underneath ones. Okay, so we've got these connected, and that's green with the, if I just wiggle it from this end maybe. Oh no, you can't see, can you? Right. So that's this, yeah. There we go. Which one's moving? I think it's, well, it's this one, isn't it? Yeah. There you go. Yeah, this one. Okay. So you can see that's that one there. So they're in the same sequence, which means now electrically it's the same. Obviously I've directly connected these. I'm going to tape this up, and then we can put it all together, and then I can reassemble it, and it should just work. Now the Toyota dealer said it needed a new one of these, but obviously the plug was knackered as well. So what were they going to do about that? What they'd have probably said, if they need to replace that, then they'd probably said they need to replace this loom as well. Where it's not fantastic, I must admit, but they'd have to dismantle the battery, because that's what I had to do to get it out. And if you're going to replace it, you'd have to take it off. Now I've cleaned it all. I put WD-40 onto it. I can clean these connections if I want to, but they're all right for now. Yeah. Anyway, yeah.